Understanding the melody of nature. Alpine birds singing. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words: alpine birds singing. This phrase is not just about the words themselves, but about the imagery and feelings they evoke. So, let's dive in and unravel the magic behind these words. Let's start by understanding what each word in the phrase, alpine birds singing, means. Alpine refers to anything related to high mountains, typically the Alps, but it can also describe high mountain environments worldwide. When we say birds, we're talking about those feathered creatures that can fly. And singing is the act of producing musical sounds with the voice. So, when we combine these words, we're talking about birds in high mountain areas making their musical sounds. It's a phrase that invites us to imagine a serene and beautiful natural setting. Imagery is a powerful tool in language that creates pictures in our minds. The phrase, alpine birds singing, evokes imagery of a peaceful, pristine mountain landscape, perhaps with snow-capped peaks under a clear blue sky. The sound of birds singing in such a setting suggests tranquility, beauty, and harmony with nature. It's not just about the birds. It's about the emotion and atmosphere the phrase creates. Understanding phrases like alpine birds singing is crucial in language learning because it teaches us how to appreciate the beauty and nuance in English. It's not just about literal meanings but understanding the feelings and images words can convey. This phrase can enhance our descriptive skills and help us communicate more vividly and expressively. You can use alpine birds singing in various contexts. It could be in creative writing, to set a serene scene, or in everyday conversation to describe a beautiful, peaceful place you visited. It's a phrase that can help make your language more colorful and expressive. I hope you've enjoyed exploring the meaning and beauty behind the phrase, alpine birds singing. English is a rich and vibrant language full of phrases that can transport us to different places and evoke strong feelings. Remember, learning English isn't just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about connecting with the beauty of the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.